Best Top 5 Hair Dryer. Number 5. NewView Multifunctional Hair Dryer. IT is one of the stylish hair dryer. IT size 23.4 cm. IT has unfoldable handle. IT has 2 gears. IT has 360 degrees swivel cord. European plug has connected IT. Number 4. Travel Household Hair Dryer Professional. 4000W Super Power, Rapid Dry Hair, Doubly Care. 3 temperature settings and 2 wind speeds. You can easily adjust the speed and temperature to create personalized styling accurately. Cold shot button sets the style. With blue light beam and perfume, professional and high grade. Equipped with a diffuser and a concentrator. Diffuser helps define natural curls and waves. Concentrator allows for focused airflow, making hair smooth and sleek. 360-degree rotating power cord. Number 3. Quoey i1500W Portable Mini Hair Blower. Folding handle design is convenient to store. Strong wind, low noise, and fine heat dissipation. Mini shape is convenient for travel and storage. It has 2 gears. It size 16.70 x 11.00 x 7.80 cm. Type of motor AC. Function thermostatic. Max power 1500 W. Number 2. 1500W Mini Size Foldable Hair Blower. Portable foldable compact for outdoor travel. 1500W ATTS for a more powerful blow dry. Ultra lightweight. 3 temperature settings. 2 speed settings. Foldable handle. Concentrator nozzle and diffuser. Removable mesh filter for easy cleaning. With hot wind, low noise, long life functions. Fixed wire buckle folding handle and easy to carry and store. Power supply, 220V, 50/60 Hz. Color, silver, coffee. Number 1. Quoey IGW6022 Professional Electric Hair Dryer. Dedicated to helping women achieve dry hair rapidly. Also, whether women desire gorgeous blowouts or enviable waves, this styling tool you will desire. Our hair dryer is designed to provide you with the optimal heat for perfect and fast styling level. Just go with this compact design that fits easily into your gym bag or carry-on luggage. Provides powerful airflow to fast dry your hair. Foldable and mini design is convenient for travel and storage. 2 speed settings for maximum styling control. Airflow concentrator lets wind blowing out focused, better modeling at home. Cooling system avoids overheating on hairs for a comfortable styling. To know more information and buy the product, go to the below link.